Free coffees for life? Almost. Welcome back to the final episode of All My Jobs. And today we'll be discussing a job that's very, very dear to my heart. And that's working at Cafe Bar Marzano's. At Cafe Bar Marzano's, I would do lots of different jobs, like serving customers, cleaning, serving food, and even cooking. Marzano's was extremely busy nearly all the time and very stressful. I personally prefer to work in a job that isn't very stressful. I prefer working where it's relaxing and calm. The best thing about working at Marzano's was the people that I would meet and the people that I got to work with. I was lucky enough to work with lots of friends again, even working with Julia from the episode before where I worked at the co-op. And some of these friends are still friends to this day. They're very, very good friends of mine. Some of the negatives, some of the bad things about working there was the busyness, having to work hard all the time, apart from in the evenings where it was a little bit quieter. Another negative about working there was the unsociable hours, having to work 4 p.m. to like 10 p.m. on Saturdays. So you would miss going out with friends or enjoying a free weekend. And of course, another negative was the bad pay. It didn't pay much, sadly. Some of the positives about working at Marzano's was just how fun it was to work there. We would drink together and chat a lot in the evenings, especially when it was more relaxing and less busy. And one of the best perks of the job was free coffee or tea or hot chocolate, depending which one you like. But the free coffee lasted way over the time that I finished working there. So I finished working in 2012, and I would still get free coffee in 2018, 2019, and maybe even today in 2024, I might get a free coffee. You can't complain, eh? And that is it for the first series of All My Jobs. I've had around 10, and I'm still only in my mid-20s. So hopefully in the future, I'll make another series talking about all the jobs I've had in Australia and the job that I'm doing to this day, which is being a professional poker player, or trying. Hope to see you there in a bit.